Hi besties, welcome back to another vlog. I'm going to do a few days in my life starting today, obviously, which is Wednesday, March 8th. And I'll be probably continuing the vlog until Friday. I have a few exciting things that I want to vlog for the rest of the week. But we're gonna kick off this vlog with an unboxing from Essence. I ordered some products off of Skims. If you guys watched my spring 22 wish list video, I featured a few pieces from Skims in that video, and on Skims' actual website they're sold out, but I randomly checked Essence and they had a few pieces that I wanted, so I still have my eyes on the website for a few pieces, but I'm really excited that I found them on Essence. It came in like 2 days. I'll have them linked down below. Also, ignore that I look like an egg because I was planning on filming a spring fashion trends video, but I'm honestly just like not in the mood to do that anymore. And there's also bare construction outside and it's just like loud and annoying, and I just don't want to. So I think I'm going to film it tomorrow. I'm kind of annoyed because I did get ready and my makeup does look pretty good right now, but it is what it is. Sometimes your day doesn't go like you planned. It's a very tiny package for what is in here, but I got 4 things. You didn't see any of that come out. Let's start off with the bra. I actually saw this on TikTok and it had to be mine. It's called the Skims Seamless Sculpting Bra and I got it in the color clay. It's basically a shapewear seamless bra that you can wear under, honestly, any of the skin pieces would be best because they are pretty skin tight, but it's supposed to give a like seamless effect. So this is what it looks like. It's super tiny. I think the color will be perfect on my skin tone, especially for the summer when I'm a little bit darker. I got a size small medium. I'm not going to be trying this on for you guys because it's a bra, but it looks so comfortable and I'm so excited about this. I'm just a huge bralette girl. I hate underwire. It's just super uncomfortable. So I think I will be loving and wearing this like every single day. Look at all the details inside. It looks so comfortable and it's super thin too. Next, I picked up the black cotton 2.0 jersey t-shirt bodysuit. I don't know why I thought I got this from the Fits Everybody collection, but apparently it's from the cotton. I'm not mad about it though, and I got it in a size extra small. It's just like their signature high neck, super tight black bodysuit. It's a thong. It looks amazing and I'm so excited about it. I hope this fits. It looks super small, but it does stretch a lot. This wasn't on my wish list, but I saw it on the website, so I thought, why not? I will wear it all the time. And then next I got 2 of the cotton 2.0 jersey mock neck tank tops in the color bone and black. These were both on my wish list. I was so excited when I saw them on Essence. Oh, this is amazing. The color is everything. I love the high neck and I also love that it's long line because I'm really into like the baggy mid-rise, low-rise pants right now. So this will be perfect. It's like a yellowy, creamy off-white color. The quality is amazing. And then like I said, I got it in black as well. I'm not going to insert try-ons in this video just because I will feature them in my what I bought in the month of March video, which you guys will have to wait for later in the month. This looks amazing. I'm so excited. And that is it for my haul right now. I will have all of these linked down below. I'm so excited about them. I've been on my basics and neutrals grind lately. It's all I wear. It's all I want to buy in the future just because you can create so many different outfits with some staple pieces like these. So yeah, I'm honestly gonna try them on right now, but you guys are gonna have to wait for my future haul. And then we are going to head over to the mall and pick up my vintage Levi's from the men's section that I took to get hemmed a little bit in the waist in my last vlog, and I am praying that they turned out good and I didn't ruin them, because I will be very mad at myself if they look like shit or if they're too tight in the waist, because I still want them to be loose. have obtained the denim. I'm very nervous. I don't know why. I just have this like feeling that I ruined them by getting them altered, but I'm hoping that's not the case. Well, like, I know they can't look bad because this is professionally done. Okay, like you literally cannot even tell. I'm hoping that they look like that when I put them on. Here are the medium wash pair. I honestly feel like I could have got them hemmed a little bit more, but I do remember telling her to go a little bit looser, but I feel like this is good. I kind of didn't like want any gaping at the back, but there is a lot less than there was before, and if I like pull them down, it goes away. It's only when I pull them up that they do that. I feel like that's actually perfect though. That way it still is a relaxed fit. Let's try on the black now. These are so good. I definitely like the fit of these ones a little bit more. You can see they're a little bit smaller. I feel like I should have went a little bit tighter with the blue ones, but it is what it is. These are like actually perfect. I'm in love.
Spinach.
Good morning, guys. It is Friday, March 11th, 9:38, and I'm currently in the Starbucks drive-thru. I'm vlogging on my phone because I forgot my camera at home, but I'm just coming back from the gym. I did quads and calves, and every Friday I treat myself to Starbucks. I just look forward to it every week. You should implement little things like that into your week because it will make you really happy.
Thanks for your patience. What can we get started for you?
Can I please have a venti brown sugar oat shaken espresso?
Venti, brown sugar, oat shaken espresso for sure.
And can I just get like one less pump of the sugar in that?
Yeah, you want 3 instead of the 4?
Yes, please.
Anything else today?
That's everything.
Okay, perfect. They'll be $6.72.
Thank you. I find sometimes with the venti, the 4 is way too many, so I usually get 3. But I need to use my phone to pay, so TTYL. Oh yes, apparently I was only charged for a grande, even though I asked for a venti, but they made a venti by accident. That's super weird luck. Back home, I thought I would quickly show you guys my gym outfit. I obviously didn't wear this while I was working out, but this is what I went to the gym in, and then I took it off once I started working out. So the zip up is Aritzia, sweatpants are Aritzia, and then for a sports bra, this is new to my wardrobe from First Health. Little sneak peek. I have a haul coming with them very soon. You can see some of the pieces over there, but I'm so excited about all of them. This color is stunning. It's like a light blue kind of periwinkle color, and it's just perfect. For shorts, I'm wearing these ribbed White Fox boutique, like White Fox athletic shorts. They are so high-waisted. Like, I didn't realize before how high they were, so I just fold them down. And then I wore my Chuck 70s. Let's go make some breakfast. Have you guys resting on my Starbucks? If you guys remember from one of my previous vlogs, I talked about how I ordered from Athletic Greens. It's basically a green powder with all your vitamins, nutrients, minerals, stuff like that. And I was supposed to get a 10 with it in a scoop, but it never came, so they sent me a new one. But I got it a few days ago, and I'm obsessed with it. You do refrigerate the powder, so I feel like the tin just really helps keep it cool. I can feel how cold it is. Metal, so it stays cold. And then here is the scoop that I just keep inside here. It's not really necessary to wash it every single time. In my last vlog where I talked about it, someone asked in the comments how it tasted. I kind of already explained though, but like I don't know what else to say besides it tastes healthy but also good. It like doesn't taste like shit. It's kind of sweet. I personally really like kombuchas, green juices, stuff like that, so I don't find the taste to be bad. I find it a little bit sweet, so I feel like it's really personal to what you like. but I wouldn't say that it tastes bad at all. I was honestly really surprised with how flavorful and yummy it was. But another new thing that I've started taking is creatine. I'm pretty sure this helps with energy and muscle repair. I just have the one from Woman's Best. It's a powder, and you just take a scoop with a meal immediately after training. You just put it in a glass of cold water, mix it up. The only thing is, it doesn't really fully disintegrate, so I kind of just chug the glass. I still haven't got another protein powder, which I need to get very soon because I need some protein, but it comes with like a little spoon. This is only my second day taking it, so I can't really say if it does anything, but I'm all over Gym Talk, and like everyone says that this completely changed their body. Not that specific product, but like creatine in general. They noticed amazing results after they started taking it. Like I said, I chug it because it's kind of like salt water where it doesn't fully disintegrate. I just like to get it over with. When I tell you I'm addicted to this, I mean it. The chokehold it has over me is insane. I have it every single day. It's so good and I don't get sick of it. It's a little bit later. It is almost 1:40 and I'm just about to head out to my car. I have a laser hair removal appointment at 2 o'clock. I have to arrive there 5 minutes early and it's around 10 minutes away. So I'm gonna go out to my car soon, warm it up, because it is snowing, and hopefully get there a little bit early just so I'm not stressed out. But this is my very first laser hair removal appointment. I'm kind of nervous. I'm getting my underarms and then my full Brazilian. That may be TMI, but I don't care. They had a deal going on for the full month of February where if you buy a medium or large body part, you can get a small body part for 75% off. So the full 6 sessions for my underarms came out to only $95, which is insane. I think it was $375 before. So really I was only paying a lot for the Brazilian. If you guys are wondering, I'm going to Brooklyn laser hair removal and I'm just wearing like a black tank top so I can just really easily take my sweater off so she can access my underarms. And I don't really know what to expect. I feel like she's probably gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna leave the room, take off your pants. I will update you guys with like how I'm feeling after. It's gonna be uncomfortable, but definitely worth it. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do laser for a while. It's gonna be so nice for summer. So yeah, I shaved and exfoliated around 10:30 when I showered, and you're not supposed to put any like deodorant or moisturizer on. 1:54, perfect timing. Brooklyn laser, and I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Besties, oh my god, I have never experienced anything like that in my life. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was very painful, but it's because it was my first session and obviously I'm not used to I don't know what was going on, why my dash is shaking so much. I wasn't used to the feeling, but like specifically my armpits were fine. I wasn't nervous about that. I was nervous about down there. But it was like the top of your pelvis area and then like the lips. I'm sorry if this is too TMI for you, but I'm just letting you know in case you've been thinking about getting it. It hurts, but it's very quick. I was out of there in like 10-15 minutes. So I know next time will be better. My body was just in like shock because I didn't know what to expect and I wasn't used to the feeling. But I'm going back April 22nd. Proud of myself though, because I've been wanting to do this for so long and I haven't because I was scared of the pain. But if you guys have been thinking about it, just do it. It's so worth it. And you also can't work out for 48 hours after, so that's why Friday is the perfect day for me to do it, because I work out like Monday to Friday. Good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. I thought I would honestly just continue the vlog throughout the weekend and do a weekend in my life, just because I don't think I got that much footage yesterday. Pretty much all I vlogged was my laser appointment, and after that I just went over to my friend's house to watch my boyfriend's playoff game. But it is Saturday around 1 o'clock and I just got dressed and ready for the day. I had a pretty slow morning, just taking it easy. I love weekend mornings because I just sleep in a bit, and I made some pancakes and I've just been like relaxing. It's been really nice. I'm about to go to the mall to run some errands. I need to pick up more coffee from Nespresso. I need to get some more books because I don't have any more backups. Oh, and I also need to get more body wash from the Body Shop. I'm almost out. Here's the outfit of the day. Here are the men's jeans that I got altered in action. I am quite literally obsessed with them. I think I could have gone a little bit tighter, but it is what it is. They're still like super baggy and oversized, which is what I wanted. And then I have on this ribbed, go off sis. And I have on this ribbed long sleeve from Princess Polly, my Aritzia bag, and my Air Forces, just because it is kind of snowy out, so I'm just putting on my beaters. Back in the car, let's do a haul. So I went to the Body Shop, like I said, to get more body wash or like shower gel. This is my absolute favorite shower gel and I can't live without it. I've been using it for so long. It's the Body Shop Satsuma shower gel. It smells absolutely amazing, and I have about like that much left. So, oh my god, I forgot to go to the bookstore. I'm so mad. That was like the main reason I wanted to go to the mall. What the heck is wrong with me? I'm so lazy to go back inside though. Like, I might order them online. And then I went to Nespresso and I just got a box, which is 6 sleeves of my Bianco Leggero. And then lastly, I went to Aritzia. I didn't need anything, but I couldn't help myself when I walked by. I got 3 things. One of them I have been, or actually all of them I've been wanting for a while, but specifically this bra top, they have finally came back in stock. I have the rib version of this, but the spandex or like the TNA butter has been sold out online for over 6 months. And I was really hoping that they would have the black as well, but they only have the white in a size small. So I'm gonna look online, and if they have the black, I'm going to order it too. But it's the TNA Butter Mini Little Sports Bra. So good. I definitely like this one a lot better than my ribbed one, so I'm super excited. It has like the little TNA in the back. It actually feels like butter and it fits me so freaking good. I'm so excited that I finally got that. I wear my ribbed one every day under my hoodies and stuff like that, so it's nice that I can actually wear that to the gym or wear it under things, or like as a little bra top under a blazer or something would be really cute. And then next I got 2 things from the Babaton contour collection. Both of them, like I said, I've been wanting for a while. So I just got the contour bodysuit in white, size extra small. I have this in black and I wore it so much last year and I've been wanting to pick up the white. So I grabbed that, and then I also got the long sleeve version of the black contour bodysuit, size extra small. Hi guys, it is Sunday. I just finished editing this vlog and I forgot to finish it off. It's kind of chaotic, just like a bunch of random clips from a few days in my life, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in a few days with a new video.